Congratulations, candidate number 2. Our first of the 5 finalists. You are blessed because you are also belong to our top 5. Candidate number. Congratulations, candidate number. Sino? Candidate number 9. Stepping closer to the ground. Miss Colado 2024. Let's step forward. Candidate number. Congratulations, candidate number. Candidate number 7. Ayan. You are also belong to our top 5. Congratulations, candidate number. Sino? Congratulations, candidate number. Candidate number 3. Our last spot. Our final 5. To complete our 5, please step forward. Congratulations, candidate number. Sino? Congratulations to our candidate number. Candidate number 10. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our top 5 finalists who will conquer the final part of our program. So, ayan po ang ating 5 kandidata. Kung sino po ang unang natawag hanggang sa huling natawag, yun na po ang ating sequence para sa ating Q&A. You will be judged by this criteria. Back to 0 po tayo. 50% beauty, 50% intelligence. So, ayan. So, nagpapay-pay na naman kayo. Akala nyo mainit.